In this video, I'll show you how to link a payment method on Coinbase. Firstly, launch your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. Log in to your Coinbase account using your credentials, and after signing in, click on Payment Methods from the Account menu. Click on Add a Payment Method, then choose the type of account you want to add, for example bank account for wire or ACH transfers, or PayPal for PayPal deposits. Complete the process by following the instructions provided on the screen. And you can also do so by using the Coinbase mobile app. Just launch the Coinbase app on your mobile device and tap on Settings from the main menu. Now tap on Payments and Methods and select the Add a Payment Method, then choose the type of account you want to add. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your desired payment method. Once added, your payment method will be linked to your Coinbase account for deposit and withdrawal. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.